Morning. Welcome. There we go. Welcome to the London session live streams again. A little bit later. Tried out trading myself today for a moment on my own. Just as a tryout, you know. Let's see what we can get today. Like we have a strong bullish market right now. But if we decide to break structure, I might be looking for some sells. So you can see on the 30-minute time frame, we're coming back up to the previous box of previous support, which turned into resistance. So let's see. Previous 30-minute closed very weak. On a 1 hour time frame, 1 hour pulled back a little more. Doing some music as well. There we go. Right. Damn, a lot of messages. Good morning, good morning. How it does? No idea, man. How you doing today? Pretty good. No GJ tonight. Let's see. Nope. Let it pull back. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a big pullback. Previous 4 hour closed bullish. So you could even maybe start buying from here back up. You see some levels to the left. Do watch out though, there's still a lot of time frames that are bearish. Daily already tried filling the wick. Previous 4 hour closed bullish above the 4 hour resistance that got formed. So I wouldn't be surprised. Let it pull back towards here, 152.500 or 151 flat, or one of these two zones for a retest. That's all I'm asking GK for. So why I'm looking for sells on gold is because we can fill this wick and then we can tap into this zone and then we can fill this wick later on and maybe drop down a little deeper back down again. What I'm going to be looking for right now. Take a look at the 30. That moved a little bit already. There's London open right now. Yeah. There's definitely a good potential to build back up right here towards 70. That's around the 40 pip range. Once this candle starts close, even at 15 minutes, candle starts closing. One more candle, I think, and then maybe a little break at the high to get a little bit more confirmation. Then you are buying the high though, but if you decide to buy in 30-minute candle close, you're gonna have 15 pip, 16 pip stops with a 37 pip target. Do watch out, there's an order block sitting right here, so based on the 1 hour, closed bearish. It sort of retested this zone. So from what I can see is that we pretty much had a let me go to annotation. Had this break right here, pull up, break at this high. It did respect though, that's the only thing. It did respect these two levels right here, so maybe push back down and then touch a continuation towards this high right here. Overall gold, yeah, I'm looking more into towards selling gold still. GJ retest. Oh boy, man, like.
What did it do?
Yo. Yeah, for GJ, I'm just gonna wait for a pullback. I'm not gonna sell anywhere here. I'm gonna wait for price to just pull back towards this zone, retest it, and then continuation moving down, maybe to retest the lows. And that's where I'm looking for.
Did you catch the sell on gold yesterday?
No, I was in sales before you, remember?
Yeah, remember I told you 17.94?
Yeah, on that. No, I didn't do it.
Oh man, the beautiful sell. I had limits set there, and I went to sleep. I was like, came back, woke up. I was like, shit, 100 pips.
Yeah, you were in at like 95, right?
94.64. It was like the tip.
Let's see. The time frame is bits of the trend. Yeah, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Look at the trend, where we're going. Yeah, I'm looking to retest this zone one more time and then take sales down from that. Also based on this daily closing week bearish. Maybe to fill this wick to the downside. Let's see. First I have to wait. There's a 1 hour order block sitting right here. It already got tapped by this candle before. And be careful with that. 2 hour level sitting right here at 94.9. So I might be taking some entries right here. Just before it.
Look at the weekly, bro. It'll go here.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see.
And weekly didn't really break structure, right? So
yeah,
if weekly if it wants to continue going down, we had this weekly needed to close below this, and then I'll be like, all right, we're gonna come back up to retest this weekly order block and then continue coming down. But since this weekly didn't close below structure, I'm more looking for this to continue breaking this and going up here.
What did you sell yesterday?
Why? Because of the 1 hour order block. I was like, letting a little pullback, but any sells I'm taking is quick scalps.
Okay.
Yeah, just for me. And I actually got him buys at 81. I buy limits at 81.
Nice. Good morning, Stefan. 2019. Looking at the wrong chart. Dumbass. No, it's the right one. No, I don't know. Yeah, it's a delicate situation right now. Coming up towards this level. I might see maybe a small pullback towards this zone. 15-minute already did that, obviously, but let's see. Yeah, we're in a strong bullish right now. Let's see. Let's see. What about GJ today, sir? Perfect, David. That was in GJ. I'll be waiting for a pullback up.
I remember I told you all about GJ a while back. I don't know if you remember.
What do you say?
Remember I told you guys about GJ a while back, how we're going to go down to like at least 148. It was at like at 150. It was like at 150 something when I was talking about it. It was based on like the monthly.
Yeah. On Monday, you're expected also to go up right to the order block.
Yeah,
Right
more
here.
into there. Yeah.
Do you expect it first to go up in the order block, or was it like
As
50-50?
long as we're still respecting that the monthly support,
Yeah.
we should come back up to inside to that block. But if we don't, this is gonna go downtown, and then I'll probably buy it back up. Because we had to break a structure to the upside without retesting it on the monthly.
Yeah. I'll go GA. We'll take a look in a minute. Morning, people. Good morning. A lot of people still coming in. D30 decided to drop. Damn. I have a feeling on bull that we might retest. Lower down one more time. Don't know yet if we're gonna break these highs in London. Maybe in New York, but not in London. I think. Yeah, the same thing. 80, 82. In there's possible, yeah. Well, we're looking at like 88 one more time. So right here. 89.4. .30-minute. Especially because we're outside of the times right now. It's delicate right now. You didn't go with the previous candle though. Yeah, 15 minutes about to close bearish. And it is rejecting 5-minute fake out. It's delicate. Without pass. Damn. No food. Damn. Crazy. Like, is it all based upon the government, or? That's crazy. They need to, yeah, start your own supermarket then. Looking for sales or buys depends on how price is going to react upon that 4-hour resistance. You need a key. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, remember? The same thing. There we go. Damn, Matt. Careful with background. Yeah, personally I took sells, but let's see how it's gonna play up. Not right now, already a couple pips above. I'm a little too dangerous to call up. What about GG? Well, that's what I said before. GG, I'm just waiting for a pullback. Like, the range is too small right now to do something. No, it's okay, but if you're looking to fill the wick, right, what? That's like just 20 pips. And you could do that, 100%. I mean, there's a high probability of filling that wick, but I don't know about it. I'm looking for a GJ and G sells in this. I would personally not look for sells in gold and on GJ anymore right now. What I said before, just wait for price to pull back. Like, you're gonna sell here, you're gonna be selling below again. What's coming up to the left, all this bullshit, right? So just wait for this candle to pull back, maybe try and buy to fill the wick, and then continue moving up towards maybe 300 or towards 600, and then expect price to retest the low, and then you have a pretty nice entry, stops about there, maybe about this candle right here, and then you have enough range to fill, right? If you're going to be selling right now, what's your range going to be until this next zone? Not that much, right? So you want to create that zone for yourself to be able to even go all the way down to here, catch the entire move. There's gold going. And around 12 pips. They go below the previous 30-minute candle. Let's see if we can continue moving down. Secure some profits real quick. And see where we can head towards. I was leaving the restaurant towards 8 and 9.
Baba boy.
That's it. Baba boy. Baba boy. Yeah, the rest is the target for the rest is around 35 pips. So stop, start, break even, leaving the rest running. See what that's gonna do.
We were just like taking easy trades now, just like, hey, just whatever.
Yep, I got in at 92.55 right here.
Nice.
If you look on the higher time frames, middle of this candle, which is pretty fucked up because of a pullback, is a high probability of 50%. But it's
But yeah, look at it on the 4 hour. So if you look at it on the 4 hour, oh no, it's different on my broker because I trade on my broker. But on my broker, there's a 4 hour order block on my broker.
okay. All right then. Yeah, I hope I don't get tapped out because I don't feel that safe with this position.
I mean, you still made money, but like I said, just because of how weekly didn't break structure,
Yeah,
we might go all the way back up to 1810. Right?
yeah, that's why my stops at break even didn't break even.
So any sells, like, yeah, they're gonna work out for pullbacks, but like the actual buy, like the main buy happened at 1781 area. That was the buy, because that was the pullback.
Yeah, for me, or I'm gonna secure at 90 flat because I see a level sitting at 90 as well. Or I'm waiting till 89. Just depends.
Yeah, so ideally I want this to come back down to like 1760 area, and then I'll buy the hell out of it.
Okay. That makes sense.
But I'm just keeping in mind how the weekly and the monthly is rejecting the monthly order block, and the weekly close bullish without breaking support, without breaking structure.
Yeah. Get a little bit more. Up to that 1 hour kind of close. Mm-mm. $88.5. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, I was a bit late too, Snipple. I wanted to get in at like 93.8 or whatever. Going fucking late. But 25 pips I'm securing another 50%, and then the rest will like 89, 90. There we go. It's pushing. Damn. The end of this hour is fucking going.
How many pips you up now, bro?
20.
But you closed at 10 pips, huh?
No, actually not. Actually not. Like 13, 14.
You doing one lots or not?
It was 88 cent.
Okay, not bad.
There we go.
Why 88?
I don't know. Felt like it.
Or was it the magic keys that did it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like, what?
Like, why? Bro.
Why 88? If you did 69, I'll be like, all right, that makes sense. Uh, thing's still going.
Yeah. It's going pretty nicely. That fucking dropped, man. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, for what it was up there. I was like, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna get like 10, 15 pips. But I didn't expect to engulf and flip the 1 hour candle last 5 minutes. Right now, like 25 pips. This 4 hours seems to be flipping soon. And we can feel the daily wick.
Told you my broker has a 4-hour order block. Still going.
Yeah, might be going.
Imagine you cut full positions, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but I just don't like how it's dropping in the first 1 minute of the new hourly. Right?
Yeah, without top wick. Well, a little top wick. It's not that big at all.
Yeah. So be careful.
Yeah, I go a very small runner. 10%.
Awesome.
Go for that stock drop. 30 pips, 50% off. Stop loss, 10 pips profit. Well done. Shit. People be killing it here, man. You know? $30 pips.
Is gold dropping because of czar news? You answer that question, Fernando. You can answer that. What's attached to gold? Dollar. Not czar.
What was the news about then? I'm so in it.
This is when runners run.
Yeah. I moved my entire TP as well. Like 82. Let's see around that. Going pretty nicely. Bruv, oh my days. If I help my focus. Oh my days. This morning I was like, I'm gonna hold that bitch. And I was like, they're like, I don't know about this dropping further. And I was like, alright, I was in already, right? Like, oh shit.
Like I said, quick scalps.
Yeah, just quick scalp.
Yeah, but quick scalps for me are like 30 pips.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still good. It's still a good amount. I mean,
made over $100.
Yeah. Easier than working somewhere. As in what?
Easier than buying the high.
Yeah. I was looking at this right here. Again, one more time, tap in. And I was also looking at, if you go to the 30-minute, I was looking at this zone as a previous resistance turning into, previous support turning into resistance like this again. So that's why I wanted to sell it. For a short term, maybe towards 91 or towards this bottom right here. But nearly
yeah, you
40.
can also look at it on the 1 hour. If you look at it on the 1 hour, you have this order block right there.
Yeah.
Right.
Interest
It
shit.
tapped into it yesterday a little bit. Right. Right here.
Yeah.
But today, that was the. But I'm still looking for buys, honestly.
Yeah, this is. I had my stops pretty tight. Like, I had them right here. That's an okay trade. It wasn't that bad. On the 1 hour, it's a pretty good entry. I just hit 40 pips. You know what I'm going to do next time?
What?
Next time I'm just going to secure maybe 15, 20 pips first position. And then 50% and don't touch the rest until TP. Or you see like the market turning on you.
Or you could close 90% at 20 pips and just leave the runner running.
Yeah.
Because 90% at 30 pips, it's a lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's when a runner will run. Like if you leave your runners running, like a 10% running after 30 pips, and then runs another 100 pips, you'll make what you close.
What you close, yeah. Man. Now you have to be careful because this is a previous top zone. This was the target officially right here.
AJ, you in these cells as well?
No,
Okay.
I am not.
I think it was quite a good quick move. I was not expecting it to be this quick, but it was quite nice. We took buys in the Asian. You were sleeping, I think, today. I was expecting.
Yes, I had to fix my schedule. Like I had to do it. Like my schedule was all fucked up. Like literally, like my days are nights and my nights are days. Like the past 2 weeks.
I think you. What time did you sleep yesterday? And I think you slept until what I must say, because when it started drastically moving up at my 1:30, just before pre-London, you were still up. You replied back on WhatsApp, and I was like, AJ, you still not sleeping?
I went to sleep. Man, I slept all day yesterday. I would say I slept for like 18 hours.
That's
like
why
that.
you were not there during
I
New
slept for like 18 hours. It was crazy. I took a sleeping pill. I was like, fuck this. I need to fix my schedule.
Shit.
Like, I have to fix my schedule. Because, dude, like, I was literally awake all night. And I would sleep all day.
God.
I would wake
Damn,
up just
boy.
for... I'd wake up just for dinner. And I would eat. And I'd go back to sleep.
Good God.
This thing is running, man. My runner's still in. I'm leaving this shit.
Yeah. So why won't you leave it?
Yeah, that's the whole point of a runner, right? It either gets stopped at a break even or hits you take profit. That's the point of a runner.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to close your runners ever.
Yeah.
Unless it hits you, it stops you all at break even. That's it.
AJ, would you believe my 0.2 cents runner, 20 cents, gave me
Yeah.
725?
Yeah, I saw that. Holy shit, Sasha. That's like
Yeah.
$1,500 or what?
Not only is that, there was another runner for 200 pips and the third one for 100 pips. And I was like, woohoo, I don't need to trade anything at all. I'm
That's
done.
passive income right there.
Bro, that's straight passive income. I don't know what you're doing, but you're on some kind of drug, Sasha.
No, she just listens, bro. Unlike some people over here. She listens, bro.
Please leave runners, everybody. Let them be there.
You are the king of runners, for real.
She's better at runners than me, honestly. I don't leave my runners that long.
But do you see
Yeah, you
that
don't
buy? I don't know where the fuck she bought that, but that was like all the way over here somewhere. I don't know.
Oh, she bought it at the top.
17. Right in the wick. Right there, yeah.
Here.
17. Yeah. So I bought, I think, 1.5 lot, and it was very choppy at that time initially. So I just left 20% and put my BE break even stop loss there, and it never ever went back to that. Kept going further.
Crazy.
Yeah. We sell also last night. Kashif showed up, and then Michelle was there, I was there, and for some time Ray came in for the chat, but she's busy this week. She says she's not going to show up much. Sami said he's so yeah, we for some time they were there, and then we kept discussing, and yeah, it was not bad. It came back to the support level at 81, 83. 81, 80-ish area, and then we took buys with 9 a.m. candle. Mitch, myself, and Maxi was there, and Sami was there.
I during my sleep, I made money.
How's that?
I had my buy limits and set. I had buy limits and sell limits set. That was it.
Where did you take a buy?
I had buy limits at 81, and I had my sell limits at 94.60. The 94.60 when I got activated when I was awake, and then I went to sleep, and then I woke up. My both trades were in profit. My sells closed out, and then my buy limits got activated.
So you had to take beautiful, AJ. It's like you are your own EA.
It's just literally placing your limits and just going about your day. Like, that's the whole point of trading, right?
Oh my God. There's an order block on H1 and 1 hour chart, and it might react to that level if it goes down till there. It is around 86-ish area. 86.
Hold on,
17.
Because Luke's not on. Hold on.
I'm on.
Go to the 1 hour.
Oh shit, I was typing it, sorry.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. Tiny one, but yeah. And then later there's another one down there. So yeah, you have few hindrances on the way.
Yeah, I'm just
84.
looking at it. I'm just looking at it on the higher time frames. I'm looking at it on the weekly, how the weekly didn't break structure. So it should continue going up, and how the monthly didn't break the order block on the monthly. So the monthly, we still have like 2 weeks left, right? So this could like this monthly could respect the order block, and next month we were gonna like fly, fly.
Perfect. Because I am expecting also, I'm in fact waiting for 18, 10, 13, that area.
That's what I was telling Luke earlier.
Oh, okay. And there's an order
18, 10.
block on daily and also on weekly up there. But I am also expecting AJ, the price to come back to, before going up, the price, they want to take more sellers off. I mean, buyers off. So it might dip down to 1770-ish, 1770, 69, if it would. It'll just dip down, take them all out, and then rest of them will make profit up there. Like now we are in profit.
It'll fill this this gap right here.
Yeah. Then I mean I'm expecting that it's going to come down to this area and then go all the way up and give you that amazing
Yeah, it'll come somewhere over here, halfway through this imbalance.
Yeah. Oh, that's exactly that where I have marked it, 69. Yeah.
That's what she said.
Love it. AJ, when you are thinking like me, I am rest assured it's going to happen. When you did not come this Asian, AJ, I was thinking maybe you're giving us a good news today.
Oh, really? No. Not
I
yet.
thought maybe.
But it's tiring, man.
Why is it tiring for you? What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm taking care of it.
What?
I'm doing everything.
No, your wife is doing everything.
Nah, like
don't be lying, boy. Don't be lying.
She's in bed rest right now, so like I have to do everything.
No,
now
you
you
must have
feel
a
like
maid.
how it is when your wife is doing every single day.
Yo, man, leave me alone, man. I'm not used to this.
Boy,
I'm not used to this.
Slips. See this Wakefield coming right here. Just straight
And
Wakefield.
I hope you keep your entry and I keep my entry, because if it's going from without disrupting the higher that it had made right now, and just range and go continue further, then it'll be good, because news is late. It's not, I think it's at 2-ish. So yeah.
What news? Yeah, here's some building permits. Housing starts. Crude oil inventory is at 4:30, and FOMC meeting minutes at 8. So there's not that much. And tomorrow you have unemployment claims and Philly Fed manufacturing index. That's it.
Look, we have a folder today at 2. Did you check that out?
No, I don't have it.
Okay, it's.
Send me a photo.
Yeah, I'm checking it out myself. We just checked this morning, so it's like 2 p.m. On your chart. Have a look. Do you see it? 2 p.m. FOMC meeting minute. That's a.
Yeah, 2:30. Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
This is what also I was looking for. This is what Ray explains all the time, that you have like this fast move down. See the amount of time it made this move down fast, right? And then the move up is way longer and not even the same height. So this is the fast move down, sleeping up, and then fast move down again. And you expect that to maybe be the same length as the other one drop. That can drop all the way to here in that time period, at the end of New York.
Yeah, it might retrace and react to these OBs on the way, but
Yeah.
because it has a lot of time to do that.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. And then we have another, I think, is there a news
56
tomorrow
pips.
too?
Yes, unemployment claims.
Okay, maybe that's going to take us up all the way.
Yeah, I'm going to be looking at maybe start buying New York at 80 if we tap 80. Or I'm going to wait. There's a lot of levels to the left that we can nicely buy off. I mean, we could also, what AJ was saying, go back to that 60 zone, around that 60, make a support, and then buy all the way back up. That would be mad.
You know why
that's
that? You know why I'm looking at that? Is because of this this breaker.
Yeah, this I was looking at the same thing. Yeah, breaker block and then tap inside him.
Yes, that's sitting there.
That was even though I didn't like the entry myself on the lower time frame because in my opinion,
this thing's still going, huh?
In my opinion, it was a little too late. It was too much right here.
Alrighty. The analysis which is playing out right now, we did this in the morning as well, looking at the charts and everything, that this could be the scene. It goes up, it comes down. I don't know if you checked it out. There's a whole channel that we have on H4 that we were into all throughout 17 area. 17, all up.
This?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't look at that.
Yes, so if you draw it, it's a perfect one. Let me just try.
Do it for me.
But I'm on the phone, so you can do it later. I mean, in the neat way, yeah, like that, yeah, and then like that. So we have to break that and retest that. A lot of work.
Yeah, break out, retest, and then.
If it has to be, yeah.
I don't know how this shit works, and then you go down and then. Not like that. Let's do that.
We will need your rocket.
Yeah, we got the rocket. Now we need the rocket down, Sasha. Come on.
Need the reverse rocket.
Yeah, the reverse rocket. The dangerous one. It's coming down. Everybody better be running.
Yeah, don't crash.
I just turned on my computer for the first time in a week.
Good.
Oh, we need your analysis, AJ. That's it.
Let's see.
That's a good amount of pips.
Oh, you got a 6-hour order block. I didn't see that. Okay, hold up.
Where do you see that?
Block at 78. Go to the 6-hour. He's not on, but 6-hour. You have one on the 5-hour as well. 7-hour as well.
Where did Luke go? Luke, change the time frame.
Quick thing for the gram, you know.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what were you talking about?
This order block down there.
This one? Yeah. That'd be a nice tap.
You have a 5-hour, 6-hour.
Oh, 5 hours a little deeper.
Yeah. 7 hours. 7 hours.
7.
Nice one.
Yeah, 7 hours. Sick. Even on 12 hours, okay, that week is not that nice, but.
Oh my God, it's so. See, we have a lot of hindrance going down there.
No, I don't think so. Just because you do have imbalances all the way down, like.
Yeah. he got that. And also they want to knock out all of those buyers from, like myself, from there.
I don't know if it's gonna go all the way down there, but eventually it will. Because like if you look
No,
at it
but
on the if you look at it on the monthly, those
Okay.
wicks,
Bro,
those
the rock.
wicks,
You want to see the rock?
those wicks, that wick on the bottom, right?
Mm.
Those are equal lows.
yes, on monthly, right? I'm looking at it
Yeah,
right
on
now.
monthly, on weekly, right? Those are all equal lows. Well, 1677 area, right?
Lots
Those
of
are all
money.
equal. All those are equal lows, and then even on the weekly, you have a weekly order block at 1619, right?
Yeah.
Right, 1619. So price can probably tap into there, but we don't know when that's gonna happen. Just because I'm looking at it now, and this might happen probably like next year, right? Where they come back to take out all these buyers from down there, because you have equal lows there, so there's a lot of liquidity at 1677. So they're gonna want to take those out. When they will, we don't know. I'm just looking at how this monthly is gonna close, how last week's candle pretty much wicked that area. So they want to take this price. They want to take that somewhere first before they come back down.
Totally makes sense.
Rocket.
But for example, if it crosses 1830, which has been respected 1, 2, 3 times, 1830 is strong as well, don't you think, AJ?
1830.
Yeah, 1830, 1832. First need to pass that.
That's strong on the left.
You're looking at it based on the weekly, right?
Yeah, weekly as well, daily as well. Yeah, and also, we have tapped and never. We tried to cross that area 3 to 4 times.
Now you have equal highs there, right? You have equal
1,
highs
2, 3.
there. Right, so you have a lot of equal highs there, so there's a liquidity there. So whenever you have equal highs and equal lows, you always just want to put a line there, and you want to see what happens, because you have equal highs and equal lows. So whenever you have equal highs and equal lows, those are liquidity zones, right? You want to see what happens there in those areas.
That makes sense, because it can go, and this time, if it has to go down further, like 1620-ish, I think they will knock them off and then go down. But this area, AJ, it has taken a lot of, like, 4 weeks, 1 month time in that zone from 1830 to 1790 area, $40 move. We were sitting there for many weeks. It means that they have like big liquidity positions there that are sitting there.
Yeah, because they can't enter their positions all at once, right? Because if they enter their positions all at once, right, you'll get a crash, or you'll get a big ass move up, right? So they try to mask their positions, their entries, as much as possible. So they stay at a particular price point so that they are able to enter, right? So you see like a daily consolidation, right? If you see any daily consolidation and then like a breakout to the downside happened. I don't remember when it was. I think it was like 2 months ago when everybody was selling the monthly low.
Yeah.
That was like a daily consolidation, and then it broke the daily consolidation to the downside, and everybody was like, sell, because it broke the consolidation. I was like, nah, this is a fake out.
Yeah. So when they have spent so much
I
time,
don't want to hear none of that shit, man. None of that. AJ. None of that. None of that. I've been closer than you think.
Wow.
Fucking hell.
Might have been here the whole time.
When's the sun going out?
The sun?
The song.
Ayara Sammy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know either. But I'm about to get back off here. I got shit to do.
What you gotta do, boy?
I gotta go to the bank.
Oh shit.
Rob it.
I handle some shit real quick. I'll open up an
Bro,
account.
you don't know how to spell, bro? What's
Yeah,
wrong with you,
accidentally
bro?
wrong.
Catch y'all later.
See you later, man.
Get that D.
There we go. Oh, fucking hell. There we go. Oh, first need to have some rocket power as well. Oh.
I like how everyone on this channel is now using ICT terms and concepts, but I remember a few months ago, no one considered this guy as useful. I don't know about y'all, but I've been using this guy for like a minute, and I turned him over. I turned him over to the dark side.
But who says it's the dark side?
I was your first student.
Who
The
says?
dark side.
Who
Man, I turned you over like forcibly.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, but like I don't understand why people call it the dark side, because it's just.
No, I called it the dark side.
Okay. The Darth Vader. Yeah.
I also remember not only that, AJ, I also remember his first day after his conviction back to the stream, and he was a changed man.
I remember I was like, when I made it my personal mission to make Luke accept this concept.
AJ, you made Master P run away, by the way. I don't know where he is.
No names. Call out names.
Okie dokie, but I really want him back.
Amen, yes I do. Hit me up on Instagram.
He's just trading. I think he's just trading on his own, just minding his own business right now.
Okie dokie.
I hope he's profitable. Hope he's profitable.
He must be doing secretly now.
He was doing okay. He was doing okay.
There you go.
There.
There we go. We have a rocket. For the people that are asking.
We have a rocket. People actually post your rocket on Instagram.
Yeah.
They make a like going down. Like the song.
Yeah, a lot of people post it. Rocket time.
So cool.
What are those likes? Fucking 59 likes. I don't know what the hell is going on with you guys, but those are rookie numbers.
You guys got so many themselves. Come on.
There will be a New York session today, guys. Remember, Wednesday.
Baba boy. I distinctly remember Raja saying he doesn't care about ICT. Yeah, why would he care? I mean,
He got his own style.
He has his own style. He's profitable with it, so. Raja taught everyone how to trade. Sure.
I was posting on Slack my trades, and I was also discussing them with Raja, you know, that I have changed the style of trading a bit, and it is very profitable for me. And is that okay if I tag you as well? Because I learned basics from you, you know, like discipline and risk management and all those things.
Yeah.
So he was happy, and he said, yeah, go ahead, tag me, and I'll tag you back on those, on my stories. I said, alrighty. So yesterday I posted on WhatsApp, I don't know, a little small video in which he scrolled over my posts as well, and he says, you know, how market fluidity helped everybody, and he said then people tweak their styles and then they evolve from there and still get profitable, which is absolutely perfect. And they're doing, you know, so you can all benefit from market fluidity, all of that. So that's why I just reposted that on thing, and I said, AJ, thank you for tweaking my style of trading.
Yeah.
Yesterday, yeah.
I mean, if you listen good as well, he did the same thing. If you listen, well, he did the same thing. He did. If you listen also to Ted, he says the same thing. Ted says,
yeah,
Raja found his own style, even though learning everything from me. He found his own style, added it, and became the way he is. And that's the same with everyone else in here. That's the same going to happen to you. You're not going to be trading the exact same style as someone else. Maybe you found someone who's actually doing that, but most of the time,
that's the whole point. That's the whole point of trading, is that you make it your own.
Exactly. According to your...
People only see that style being traded, and you need to trade that style. No, not at all. You know how many people were mad at me that I started changing my style? You know how many people left? Did I give a fuck? No.
A lot of people left.
Your moon and stars are down there now?
Because they trade a different style. That's okay.
It should be like hell and fire down there instead of moon and stars.
I know. And loads of fire from the rocket. Full momentum on.
Oh. Let's go down. Shit. What did we actually hit? They're on 60. Yeah, exactly. The 100. Yeah, sometimes. From everyone.
Hello, Luke and AJ.
Yo, what's up, man? How are you, man?
Yeah, I was, you can say I was quite sick, but yeah, I'm just recovering now.
Oh, perfect. What do you have?
Yeah, COVID, the Delta variant.
Okay, yeah.
You got that corona.
Yeah, unfortunately. Even though you know.
I mean, I feel like at this point everybody's gonna get corona. I mean, it's whatever.
I agree, AJ. Yeah.
Like it's like the flu now.
No.
It literally is, because there's no numbers on the flu right now.
but the only difference within corona and another flu is it will just attack your lungs, you know, directly on third day.
Yeah.
That is
that.
Yeah. Yeah.
And corona is also affecting other parts of the body, like liver, lung, heart.
Exactly.
But you good right now, right?
Yeah, I finished my medication, so I have to see the doctor again. Okay. Let's see what he says. For now, I have no fever or corona symptoms, but I feel that I'm only 60% back on the mode.
The legs will stay there for the fatigue. Yeah, it's going to be there for some time. You'll need to recover.
Yeah, but the main thing is that you feel exhausted all the time,
Yeah.
You cannot
Yeah.
sit or concentrate for long.
To gather up your energy again, and then that's hard because you have to eat the food that you're eating has to be very light so that it does not have a worsen effect on your lungs. Oh, sorry, on your liver especially.
Is it true that you can't taste anything?
Yeah, I can taste, but in the beginning I felt like everything is tasteless, and I felt no appetite. Like I was not eating. So this is the main. You lose your appetite.
Sorry, that was my son. But I'm gonna have 2 of those, man.
Playful mood, totally.
My God.
What's funny?
He's like, AJ's like, what do you want? And the kid's like,
That's because I've been sleeping for the past almost day and a half. So I'm leaving. I'm going back to my trading room, and he's pissed off because he doesn't want me to leave. I haven't seen him in a day.
Damn. What age are your kids gonna start trading?
Oh, as soon as they can fucking read.
Yeah. Those kids will be multi-billionaires, trillionaires real soon.
He's gonna be one of those Forex gurus at 15.
Yeah, then with a Lamborghini.
Yeah, and he's gonna be selling y'all courses.
Yeah.
And I don't have to teach no more. They can just take over everything.
Go on, son. Show it them.
I'll just be chilling in the background,
You know it.
That's gonna be awesome. Are you done with your setup about the business and everything, AJ?
Yeah, almost.
Okay, that's good. Kashif, what's your analysis on gold?
Yeah, it's the same as AJ.
Yeah.
Why? Since last night, you're trying your best so that gold dollar gets weakened, right? I know.
Yeah, but it was only for the buys, right? From the 82 to 86, and I took that 3 times, and I made my profit and got out. But then you got better time to catch some bigger move, at the 90.
Don't be jealous. Come on.
Yeah, and you benefited from the dollar strength, right?
Luke, why is he saying so? He's saying so because Mitch, me, Sami, Michelle, we were all in buys in doing the 9 a.m. tempo. And
if Sammy's
he's like,
in buys,
why?
they ain't gonna be playing. Sorry, I ain't gonna be playing if Sammy's in buys.
And he's like, you get Asian. Good timing. I was sleeping.
Okay, damn boy. Damn. Goddamn.
I'm looking at this 30-minute order block.
Think about it. Yeah, tap pretty much right into it.
Yeah.
Who was that?
No, I just
Not-
placed my... No. I just placed my sell limits on pound odd. So
Okay. Yeah.
so if you trade gold, you can trade odd pairs. It will be amazing, you know.
Very nice.
Yeah.
We're coming into the 4-hour close as well.
Yeah. Let's see. Don't know where it's gonna go. Especially with this 4-hour kind of close, you can easily the wick as a retrace and go back down. Must backtest your strategy 100 times to be profitable trader? No. Live trading. Backtesting is good as well. Oh, I see. That's we could put it in 20 times. I didn't even read it. I need to go to the live chat, otherwise I'm only seeing the top chat, and then there's a lot of messages I can't see. Go. We got a chart coming in. Let's review this chart. Okay. Are you still in it? Questioning myself. If you're still in it, you're probably gonna hold to 80 again. %10 a week is a good target. Yeah, sure thing. Sure.
Did he ask if 10% is a good weekly target?
Oh, weekly. More like monthly. I think monthly is okay for 10%.
Bro, do you guys don't understand that like people look for 10% in a year?
Yeah.
And you guys are looking at it for like a monthly thing. You want 120%. When people
Yeah,
like
my
big
monthly is much
investors, they
more.
want 10%. They literally want all it. If they get 10%, they're happy, right? And it's the only difference is just the money, like the money. That's all the difference is.
Huge.
Right?
Yeah.
That's all it is. But when it comes to percentages, it's exactly the same. Because like if you get 10% over like 100 million, that's a lot. Right?
Yeah, for sure.
Right, but if you get 10% for 10K, right? It's nothing. You see it as nothing because the money isn't the same.
Yeah, but if let's say you have like a $500 million dollar account, would you even try and risk 2%?
I would risk more.
Okay. This man goes ham in that. Just 1,500 lots, 2,000 lots.
Yeah, why not?
5,000 lots.
If I have that big of a trading account, that means I have a lot more money on the side.
Yeah. Right? Okay, then it's like fuck it.
Exactly, because like you're only supposed to put in 10%, maximum 10% of your savings.
Yeah.
Right into your trading account. So if I'm putting that much into my trading account, that means I have like 90% more than that in my savings.
But would you mind, like, if you have 10% of your account over risking it?
Yeah,
if you know,
because it's not gonna break me.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, right.
And that's the thing.
That's what I do as well.
They'll put their rent money, right? Or they'll put their like tuition money in there and expect it to like double it, triple it. No, you won't.
Yeah.
And also,
for me, it's like I have money in my account, right? But that's not all of my money.
Exactly. It shouldn't be.
That's far from all of my money that I have.
Exactly.
Right. But I have also money in another separate bank account that's still my trading account money as well, but it's not on there. Right.
What do you mean?
I have still money in a separate account that I haven't deposited yet onto this trading account.
Oh, so just chilling.
Probably, just chilling there. Doing nothing.
You'll deposit it at one point.
Yeah.
Whenever.
No, there's no need for me to deposit it anyways right now, but it's there.
Yeah,
I heard AJ saying that why do you need to even trade your own money? Get the accounts like FTMO and other accounts and trade their money. Risk your money as less as you can. Just trade those accounts and get.
I mean, there's people that say that like, oh, I have my own capital thing, but like, yeah, I have my own capital, but why should I risk it? Because if I blow an FTMO account, right? It's really, what did I lose? Nothing. Literally.
A lot of big guys in real estate, they do the same.
Makes absolutely no sense.
They don't use their own money at all. They use banks' money and other people's money.
Exactly.
They didn't use their own money. They didn't. Look, this your trading strategy change over time or stays the same? Yeah, you gotta adapt to the market, right?
Bro, I remember trading the way that we trade now, and how it was a secret. It was this type of trading that we're trading now is a secret. No, we're not allowed to tell people about it.
Mm-hmm. 10% of 5 million account is good for a year, but not so much in a okay account, boss. Well, you gotta start somewhere, Mr. Faris. I mean, probably that 1K account is the same for him as that 1K account is the same for him as his 500 million account. Same 1K. So you gotta start somewhere. The guy with the 500 million probably started at 1,000 as well, Mr. Faris. So, but people want to skip the first process of starting at $100 or $500 or 1,000. I mean, imagine yourself, right? You're trying to be the best. You're trying to start, and you're trying to start racing, right? You're racing, and you get on the fastest fucking motorbike straight away, and you're pushing out that gas, and you never rode a bike before. What do you think is gonna happen? There's a high probability that you're gonna crash.
If you say so, Luke.
Well, not always, but it's like I mean,
I'm just messing. I'm just messing.
If you never rode a fucking bike before, like a motorbike, and you get on a bike with more than 200 horsepower, and
I rode a motorbike at 5 years old. What you mean?
Yeah, bro, that's you. You're different, okay?
Is it a good difference or a bad difference?
Hey, Luke, I jumped on a dirt bike for like the first time when I was like 5, and I did great.
Does your dirt bike have 200 horsepower? What do you mean?
Oh, well.
That's a difference. You know?
I don't know. Does a 600cc bike have what does it take?
They only probably have like 100 or 130 horsepower. The 1 liter engine, most of the times they go to like 170 and 200 plus now, the new ones. And they go fast as fuck. Yeah?
Yeah.
So the new ones, they go like what? They're going 120 kilometers an hour.
I've got a $100 account. Please, somebody tell him what I think about $100 accounts. Please.
You take them very seriously.
You're gonna blow it. You're gonna blow it. You're gonna blow it. You're gonna blow it. 100%. 100%.
There you have your answer. Good.
You're gonna blow it. I'm being dead serious. Like, you're gonna blow it.
You're breaking someone's heart, AJ.
I'm just saying that honest truth. Like, you're gonna blow it.
Unfortunately, yes.
Doesn't matter what leverage. 1 to 100, 1 to 1,000, $100 account. You're gonna blow
What
it.
do you think is the perfect amount of starting?
0. Don't start until you know how to trade.
Yeah.
And that never happens, I think. I did not even go on demo account. I don't know.
I didn't go on demo account.
I
But
didn't.
you know how many accounts I've blown? You know
Oh,
how
God.
many accounts I've blown?
I got no
Like,
idea.
I've lost. I don't even know how many accounts I've blown from how many I've blown.
Those who want
But
to
like-
learn with AJ, I want to tell them very out loud and clear that I've been trading, but my best profitable initial stage that has just started and just it's just shooting up. The graph is going higher and higher. The change was only because of AJ and just started happening when I learned from him. I have to give you that, hands down. I have to give you that.
Hey AJ, what do you think is more which is better for a new trader, to back test or use a paper account?
Honestly, for me, I went live right away, right? I've never done a demo, but if looking at it back now, I probably would have done a demo account. Just looking back at it now, but
look back at it.
Doing a demo account also, it doesn't teach you the emotional aspect of losing money, right? Because you're not attached to it. So it goes hand in hand. Like it's whatever is comfortable for most people. But also putting in $100 account and expecting it to be like 1,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 within a couple of weeks or a couple months is not realistic as well, right? Because more than likely that $100 account will be blown. And any broker that does allow you to put $100 in, right? They already know that you're gonna blow it, right? Before you even. That's why they allow it. Because like if they allow you, they're allowing hundreds of thousands of people to deposit $100. If that adds up, right? And then if you lose $100, right? What's another $100 to deposit again? Nothing, right? It's like whatever. I'll just deposit.
It's gonna be a rat race constantly. It's gonna be the same.
Right? You're just gonna keep on depositing. Deposit Mondays, right?
Right.
So, my broker, for example, doesn't allow anything below 5K. Like no deposits below 5K. Nothing. I was like, yo, what if I have like 4,999? He was like, no, 5K.
Okay.
Yeah,
AJ, do you ever back test ideas or anything? Or when you were learning the stuff that you know now?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah,
so,
I did too.
I mean, if you're a new trader, you're most likely going to come across plenty of ideas on how to trade. So I feel
and I didn't have software FX like when I was trading. So what I would do is I would go on Tradingview, and I had the paid version of Tradingview, and I would literally just like pick a random date, and then I'll just like start and I'll play it, and then when I see a setup, I'll mark it out and be like, all right, I'm gonna put a limit here, or I'm about to sell here, buy here, and then I'll see how it plays out.
Yeah, but I think back testing is really helpful. But at the end of the day, when you're sitting there watching those candles develop, that's the psychology that can't be taught unless, you know, that's one of those things where you got to learn through experience.
Yeah, everything on the real time frame has a different flavor, but it's like a know-how, you know, you just have to break the ice from somewhere. So it is safest to break it that way. And and also charting, you know, when you draw your analysis on, that has helped me a lot too as a new trader. You have to put it down, and you should be able to confident enough to put it down, whatever your analysis is, and share it with anybody, you know, around who with your community. That gives you some confidence, and that also brings back check and balance thing. You know, did it play? And what do I have to correct in this? So that helped me a lot too. Initially, I used to think he's just saying it. Raja used to keep saying it, you know, send charts, share charts, and all of that. I used to be very hesitant because I used to enter wherever I used to, and I want to enter. How would I put it on a chart? Because I was just doing dumb things. But then, say it.
Oh, no, go ahead. I'll say that.
Yeah, so when I started actually putting it on paper, I had to, you know, accept the accountability for the fact that, you know, what am I doing? And then look back. That comes through your mind. It's like a thoughtful process now, like how I sometimes write back my lectures, and then they sit in my mind well for the exams and things like those. So yeah, similar stuff.
I used to send, Rakil got mad as fuck at me. And he's like, you're gonna send shit every single day now. I was like, okay. Send your profit and send what you make and send with your entries, everything. And I did that for a very, very long time, every single day. Every single day. And the moment I skip it, where the fuck is it? You know? But yeah, that made me disciplined on making the charts constantly.
Yes. When I started, I had nothing.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end this London session live stream, and we'll be back. We'll be back in the New York session. That's gonna be happening in 1.5 hours time. So I'll see you guys all over there. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's gonna be a lot of fun in the New York session. Be there and don't be square. And I'll see you there. Bye bye. Thank you.